just an update on the plants after the rain. The plants had gotten like 6 inches of rain a few days, and then also I want to say maybe a week or 2 weeks ago they had gotten a lot of rain as well. But yeah, I would say all the plants are fine. I didn't lose like major plants. I lost leaves. I don't remember losing a whole plant. If I did, I think it was a baby. I think I recall a baby. But all these are doing well. This I had over here because I pulled some leaves, but I am leaving it out of the greenhouse. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? All them heads, all those babies, but I like the way it looks, so keeping it like that. So quick update on this, guys. As you can see how she's spread wide open, this was inside my house. I have to remove this one, and I bought another different Horthia to put in here, and I also removed the string of pearls because it was looking like thin. The balls, the little pearls were looking very thin. They were not growing properly, so I'm gonna remove this and put the other Horthia that I bought for that. So I think this is the Pullix, Echeveria Pullix. This one has lost some leaves. This one also lost some leaves, but the plant itself, it's okay. This one, a lot of water damage, like freckles, burn marks on the plants. That we do have because, well, it was getting, after the rain, you know, sun would hit it, so yeah. Everything here is good. Haven't lost anything here. This changed color, but I think it's because it gets some shade here. It gets, you know, some dappled light here and there. So yeah, I don't get as much sun as I was thinking that I was gonna get here. So yeah, okay. This one's doing good. This one, like I said, this one really likes the rain. Doing super well. Gotta pick up a bunch of leaves. My mango tree is dropping a bunch of leaves. This was inside. This is very finicky. At one point it was looking really good, and then now it's just looking like this. I don't know. Can't make it happy. It's very hard to make it happy, so I brought it outside to see if it does better out here, so we'll see. No direct sun though, because in the past I've known that this one does not like direct sun. My Embercata is doing well. This one has been dropping a few leaves here and there. See, there's a leaf right there. But overall, the whole arrangement is fine. Also, of all the Echeverias I have, this tends to be the one that's more fragile for the rain. But so far it's just been dropping just a few leaves, but you can see that it's nice and firm right there. That's pretty firm. They're doing fine. These things can handle some weather. They're doing really well. The pink butterflies are doing super well. I have to cut those so that I can propagate them. Oh, so my big pot that I had here, I moved it over there because it wasn't getting as much sun as it used to over here. And I know I said I wouldn't move pots, but that was referring to for rain. I can't move pots for rain because forget about it. I'll be doing it non-stop, but I'll move it for the sun. But not all, because I only have so much space, you know. This is my area where the rocks are for the plants, so this is where they have to be. Anyways, the pig is doing really well. This thing has taken over. I've seen this in big arrangements, and they grow pretty big, like bushes. There's some ants there. Ants like to bring pests that will kill your plants, so be careful. But anyways, that's pretty big. I might put this somewhere else. I might pull this out just so that it gets bigger and I get more babies out of it. Because I do like it. I do enjoy the color. It's really pretty. This one has done super well for me. Super, super well. Love it. And this one, it's holding strong. This agaboides here. These are doing well. Some of these leaves got burned. And I'm wondering if they got burned because of, water sitting on them. This I brought from inside. I brought it out and it's doing better. Here, so far, so good. And then these are doing well. These are new. This is my the panda plant that I bought, and I put it in this big white pot. Really like it. Oh no, a dead lizard. Sucks. It's a baby too. Poor lizard died. Drowned in there. Anyways, as you can see, the tree is doing well. This is dropping some leaves. You can see here. These, even though they're yellow, they're pretty firm. I think that's from the sun actually. I think that's a stress color. I don't think it has to do anything with water because they're really firm. This is the new one I made. Look at how those flapjacks have grown. A lot of watermark damage. And I would think that those flapjacks would be more red, but they're not. For all the sun that they get, you would think that they would be more red. Doing well. Doing well. The only thing I had to pull out of here, it's lost a few leaves because, like I said, the water sits on them and then the sun cooks them. What I had to pull out of this was whatchamacallit. Let's see if I can think real quick. An aeonium, because the sun was cooking it. So I had to pull that out. It started to rain, guys. It just started to rain. Darn it. So it hasn't rained for quite a few days now. So this will be our first rain after that. Anyways, before it really comes down, let me just show you the ones that really took a big hit. Like I said, the Echeveria, these are from the palm tree. The seed pod came out again and I need to remove it again because it's causing issues everywhere. So I need to remove that. But you see it lost a lot of leaves. This is the Echeveria Pornutenberg. So those are pretty fragile. And then these also have dropped many, many leaves. But they're still alive. They just dropped leaves. This one too. But basically everything else has done well. Everything has done well. And then let me show you one more. So this one, because these already have super fat leaves. Look, that's almost a goner. It might be able to survive. This one is losing some leaves. See? So I could possibly lose. Look, this one's losing some leaves right here. But the weather just changed on me. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind. And it feels like it's gonna pour. And it would do well because it's pretty hot. Look at how well this is doing in here. She's super happy. Oh, let me show you. I love this spot. This is my favorite spot of all. Let me just show you. Except for the mess that I have in front of it, which I need to address that. But other than that, when you look up close like this, that's my favorite spot. I love the wood logs. I really do. So that's my favorite spot. Anyways, that was it. Just a quick update. So no major losses. So I'm thankful, but more rain is to come. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you later. Bye. Have a blessed day.